Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 5, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column I, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then third grid. Two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth row and seventh row, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 3. 10th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, 6th row and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 4th grade, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Second row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 5th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade and 4th row, we have pair numbers 2, 3, 6. So 2, 3, 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, column I, we have 1 and 5 and 1 and 8. Then 1 will come in one of the cells. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. First grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. Column E, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then eighth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 1. Column G, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.